Guys, ZzNinjaEagleRPG is back for another video of mine, and I'm going to be this is part 2 of demolition on Summit. I hope you watched my the first video. I went 18 and 12 on that. You can see I'm 7th prestige level 34, and if you see my first video, I did a shout out to Spud 3100, 30,000, whatever, however you want to say it. Oh, okay, wow. Let's see, are we gonna let them blow it up? Are we guys gonna let them, or, okay. Boom, headshot. Boom. I got a napalm. Napalm. I say napalm just because I think it's faster just to say. Trying to find a good angle to put this napalm. There's a nub coming around here. Oh wow. I just failed blog right there. Killed myself. Okay, wow. Defuse that. I'll defuse it. Come on, we need to defuse this. Who's defusing it, Spud? Come on, we just need a... Okay, Spud, defuse it. I got you. Good. As you can see, that came down to the last couple seconds. But Spud saved the day. Very snexy. So, I'm sorry about the lack of videos. I'm sorry about that because I'm a Hilton Head, so I don't really have I don't have my stuff to record. But I'm trying to figure out a way so I can make you all happy. So, I don't have it. So, I went to this place, its name is, Enchiladas. I met this guy, I call him Lil Juan. So, I just had to throw that out there because I thought he was pretty cool. I talked to him, he was pretty smexy, no, not to be gay, but he was pretty cool. So, hope you look at Lil Juan. He was pretty cool. Don't get me wrong. What the flip? I will save the day. Cover me. Okay, they're planting. So, Lil Juan was pretty cool. Just panic tomahawk that guy. Do you like Lil Juan, Spud? They might be planning. Let me check. Yes, they are. They were. Got a kill. Oh, I just got double teamed right there. It might have to go into three parts, but I hope you watch all of them. I'm coming, Spud. I'm a medic. Watch out, Mason. Okay, watch out. I'm going to be using the L96. When this round is done, I'm going to end the video.
Care package on the way.
What? I'm defusing. Just watch me. Sucker. Oh, I just failed right there. Oh, I just got the last kill with the quick scope for this round. Let's watch this sexiness. So, I hope you enjoyed part 2 of my Summit Demolition, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks.